So how would one describe what web pages are? Well, Microsoft would describe it this way, as reflected at the ASP.NET website /web-pages. ASP.NET web pages and the new Razor syntax provide a fast, approachable, and lightweight way to combine server code with HTML to create dynamic web content. That truly does embody what web pages are. It's all about that inline code mixed in with the HTML markup. In the Microsoft Web Platform, web pages reside in the family of ASP.NET, and it is also supported in the new ASP.NET Core. While web pages are not the first in the ASP.NET family, it certainly can boast its roots in classic ASP in spirit. What do I mean? Well, if we look at this example of classic ASP, there's inline script mixed in with a markup in this file.asp. When the ASP engine sees that script, it processes it and outputs a static date in the header1 tag. ASP.NET web pages work very similarly. In this example, we're doing the same thing. We have the header1 tag as static content of the page, but inside of it, using the Razor syntax, which was noted by that @ sign, we're then calling upon C# to render what the date is in a short format. Aspects of web pages that are really intriguing to consider are, foremost, it is a blend of markup with server code. There's only one file, not two, as are in the case of web forms, where the .aspx is typically associated with a code file. This is all done in one file, the .cshtml. The code uses that efficient and easy to read Razor syntax, which is also supported in MVC. However, all the code executed in web pages is done using this Razor syntax. Web pages use a dynamic compilation model. Because we don't have separate code files that all get compiled into one DLL, and in fact the code is mixed in to every .cshtml file, the compilation actually occurs when the page is first requested on the web server. The advantage here is that the files, once updated on the web server, will immediately reflect that and do not require an entire site to be redeployed, just the changes to the file itself, and it will be revealed the next time it's requested. Finally, this technology compares the closest to classic ASP. It's a familiar model to just web developers in general. They see mostly HTML syntax and just inject that server-side code where they want it to be processed.